look like a beautiful nightmare. Don't you know?
Hey folks, and welcome back to my channel. And in today's video we are going to be showcasing, all right, get into her, the color, the cut, the flips. Yes, she is everything a synthetic wig should be. Anyway, if you're new to my channel, welcome. We do everything here synthetically fun. You know what I mean. Anyway, make sure to like, comment, and subscribe to my channel. And hit that notification bell so every time I upload a baddie like this one, you will get notified. Also, if you've been here and you already know how we about to get into her details and try to find out who's that girl, come on guys, let's just go ahead and get into this video. Before I get into Miss Thing's sneaky deaky details, I just want to say, honestly, this year I really wanted to be involved in Wigmas or Vlogmas, or that is just every day up until Christmas, December 1st to the 25th. I think you would post a wig review or a vlog about what you're doing every day until the 25th. Unfortunately, I wasn't able to participate because just got a new job, still gotta take care of them kids, still gotta take care of that man, still gotta take care of this house, still gotta do this, that. There's a lot of running around going on. And your girl was tired. So unfortunately, I didn't get a chance to do that. So what I plan to do is I'm trying to push out as many wig reviews as I can before the end of the year. So if you start seeing more of me on your screen, just know that's the reason why. Alright, come on, let's get into who's that girl. So I got this wig from Outre. I think I got her from Wig Types. This was a long time ago. This wig is from the Lace Front collection and her name is KIMORA. Now KIMORA comes in the color ginger brown. Doesn't really have much information, but she is pre-plucked, lace parting, natural baby hairs. She has a transparent lace and she's heat resistant up to 400 degrees. Now this is what she looks like. Miss KIMORA looks like on the stock card right here, and these are the colors that she comes in. I think she comes in an array of more colors, but you would have to check wigtypes.com to see. And I only paid, I'm lying, when she first came out I paid close to $30-something for her, but right now she's only $20, $19.99. You can't beat that. Affordable, yes. Cute, yes. Matter of fact, let me upgrade to gorgeous, because gorgeous, yes. Okay? Now, she is a standard wig. She comes with the 2 combs in the front, 1 in the back. No elastic band, but she has adjustable straps if you need to. She is definitely big head friendly. She comes down all the way down to my sideburns, so that's actually, I'm gonna be real transparent with you, like this so-called transparent lace. I mean, it's transparent enough, I guess, but it's not enough lace, okay? Baby hairs, I'm trying to go into 2023 without having to do them anymore, because in all actuality, I'm gonna be real with myself, I can't. I can't succeed with these baby hairs. I don't know what it is. I might have to take a class or 2, or just go to the YouTube university and find somebody who really knows how to do it and study them, because baby, when I tell you, she looks cute, but she could be better. You feel me? Like, let's be real. I'm 40-something years old. Ain't no baby hairs on me. Nowhere. Like, okay? We adults here. My thoughts on her. She is actually a really beautiful unit. I mean, besides the color here, as you can see, okay, she got tints of brown, tints of red. I feel like she got a little bit of that 99J in there. Like, this is just a cute color. She actually reminds me of Dione from Outre, just a little bit longer. But the color blend on Dione was the same thing. Like, ooh, it's beautiful. The way she flips in this way and actually stays that way. Love it. And she's just straight in the back. Let me see if I can show you what she looks like in the back. She is cute. She is long. She comes maybe about to right here to my boobies, but she's adorable. Would I buy her again? Child, without even thinking twice, I would definitely get her in a 1B because I feel like she would look really good in a black color. This one is a keeper, and I also purchased her without even realizing in a DFF red velvet, which I'm going to try on for you. And this is what she looks like in the red velvet. She's definitely shedding a lot. I'm not too sure why I got this red velvet color. Whatever reason, I'm just not feeling her on me. I feel like it's too bold. I don't know, something about it just, it's still a cute wig though. She is definitely a cute color for somebody. But for Vageline, I say, all right, folks, that's all I got on Miss Thing. Let me know in the comments below, are we feeling the ginger brown or the red velvet? It's a go. Because I don't know, I'm feeling the ginger brown. I don't know, this brown is giving me all types of mocha vibes. You know what I'm saying? Listen, make sure you subscribe to my channel so every time I upload a baddie like this one, and she's a baddie at a reasonable price, you will go ahead and get notified. All right, guys. Love you. Bye. Damn, baby is. Arch enemy.
Cause you look like a beautiful nightmare.